Click on the subscribe button to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any new videos. Hello friends, welcome to TechJaspreet YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp without number. So friends, keep watching this video. So friends, if you want to use WhatsApp without number, you have to download an app called Text Now. So open your Play Store app and search Text Now. Here it is. Now download and install this app on your phone. And when the installation is finished, just open up this app. Now click on Get a Free Phone Number. Now choose Don't Use Location and enter your area code as 315 and click on Continue. And from this list you can choose any number you like, and after that click on Continue. And now you have to complete the free registration process, and there is also no need to provide your personal email ID here. You can enter any random email ID and password here. And now finally click on Complete Registration. Now click on Setup button and allow all the permissions to this app. And now your number is ready to link with WhatsApp. Now copy your new number for further process. Now minimize this app, and now we have to link our new number with WhatsApp. I am going to use Dual Messenger feature on my phone to link my new number with WhatsApp. And now open WhatsApp app. Now click on Agree and Continue. Here you have to enter your new number. Now select United States and paste your new number here. And click on Next. Click on OK. And now you will receive a SMS on your Text Now app. But if you see this message, simply go to Text Now app and select Conversations. And now go back to WhatsApp and hit on Call Me. Now wait until you get a call or voicemail from WhatsApp on your Text Now app. So here you can see that I received a voicemail from WhatsApp, and now play this voicemail and enter code in your WhatsApp app. And your WhatsApp account is successfully created. Now enter your name and click on Next. And now you are able to send messages to anyone without letting know them your original number. If you send messages to anyone, they will be able to see the number you have just created in TextNow app. And no one can find this number on Truecaller or any other phone directories. And your identity will be completely safe on WhatsApp. So friends, this is how we can use WhatsApp without number. So friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button, or you can subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. So thanks for watching this video.